everyone, welcome back to my channel Mansa Studio. Today we're gonna do a DIY boho wall hangers. So get prepared. From long time I've been seeing this boho wall hangers wherein it is made of yarn. A lot of people are doing this and it's really beautiful, guys. I've been looking at it for so long time and everyone is nowadays doing this and it's so trendy. So let's get started, and before that please hit the subscribe button. It means a lot to me, guys, so please subscribe. And the first item we need is this wooden dowel. You can get this anywhere. The second item is scissors, a pair of scissors. And the third item is our main item, that is the yarn. So I've got 4 different colors here which would complement each other and form a contrast. So I've chosen this according to my bedroom colors, so you guys can do the same. So I would start by unwrapping a yarn there. So I would measure up to what length I need these hangers and cut them accordingly. So firstly, cut a string up to what length you want this hanger to be, so that it's a reference for you guys. So after you cut the reference string, according to that, if you have a window like this, you can measure accordingly and wrap it and cut it at the last. So this was easy for me, so that all the strings are of equal lengths. I don't have to cut one by one. So I wrapped it completely and then I cut at the top so that all the strings are equal. Now look at that. I got an amazing length. Now with this, I'll start wrapping it around the dowel. So how you would do? Like this. Make a loop, and through the loop pass in the leftover string and bring it a long way and pull it down. This way you're making a knot. So let me show another one so that you guys would know how it is actually. So grab a string and make a loop like this and pass the leftover yarn all along and pull it down. Now you guys have to keep doing this until you have a point where you want it to start with a new color. So I kept doing this up to a 6 to 7 centimeters length, and then I started with a new color. Now for you guys to have a better idea, I'm showing it again, so please have a close look. Keep pulling it down so that you guys have a proper look and it becomes easy from now on. And after like 10 minutes or so, I've completed up to this point. I just have few more yarns to be done. Now this is the last one, guys. Keep brushing it and look at that. It looks so beautiful for me. It looks so good, isn't it? I'm so satisfied with how it turned out. So keep combing it downward so that it's stiff at the top at the dowel place. I'm starting with the next color, that is black color. As black is the darkest color in the palette I have, so I started doing it, and I would be wrapping it before the dark blue color so that the palette has black, dark blue, then sky blue, and then white. So I did the same way how I wrapped the blue color, dark blue color, so that I have the same length strings when I cut. I don't have to do it one by one. And there you go, it's done. So I'm really sorry for the mess I created on my floor, guys, and that's my workspace for now because it has really good lighting. So I've created the loop, and it's going to be the same way how I did the blue colored. So you create a loop and pull the string through the loop and create a knot. And once you create the knot, pull it all the way downwards so that you're making it stiff at the dowel. And after wrapping all the black colored strings, this is how it looks like. It's pretty good and I love it. The more I'm seeing it, the more I'm combing. I don't know why, guys, it's so satisfying doing that. And similarly, I cut the sky blue colored ones and wrapped it along. And look at that, the color is looking so good. The black, dark blue and sky blue. I'm just waiting for the white colored one. With the similar method, I did the white color also, and I'm wrapping it all along with the dowel, and the 4 colors have been wrapped along the dowel, and it's done. Now I just have to hang it on my wall. So take a string or yarn. So basically what we are doing here is creating a loop so that we can hang this on the wall. So I'm measuring the triangle which I need for this hanger to be hung on the wall. When I'm satisfied with the length, I will tie a knot like how I'm doing right now. For it to be secure, please tie another knot so that it's more secure. And once you're happy with that, cut the leftover yarn. And I'm satisfied with this triangle right now. And if I'm not satisfied, I mean if it's really going down or if the length is too high, I would then trip it off. And this is how it finally looks like. Right now I do not have a nail on the wall where it should be actually hanging in. So I just put on this hanger and I'm combing it nice and well so that it looks even and groomed. And I'm happy now. So finally I've got a nail on place where it should be actually hanging in. This is my sister's bedroom, guys. This wall was empty till now, and this is how it looks now beautifully. Do not forget to watch my upcoming videos as I'm gonna upload some more easy DIYs and extreme room makeover, and you guys are gonna love that. Thank you for watching my video, everyone. I hope you loved the video and the DIY I showed today in my video. Please hit the subscribe button and hit the bell icon. It's free, guys, and it means a lot to me.